Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make taco mix. Creating your own taco seasoning at home is incredibly simple and offers a burst of fresh, customizable flavor that store-bought packets just can't match. Plus, you control all the ingredients, avoiding any unwanted preservatives or excess sodium. We'll start by gathering a few essential spices and then combine them for a truly delicious result. Now let's dive into the heart of our taco mix, the spice blend. You'll want to combine 2 tablespoons of chili powder with 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. For a touch of warmth, include 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Finish with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. This balance creates a rich, authentic flavor. Once you have all your spices measured out, it's time to mix them. Simply pour everything into a small bowl and whisk thoroughly until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Make sure there are no clumps, ensuring a consistent flavor in every bite. For storage, transfer your freshly made taco mix into an airtight jar or container. Keep it in a cool, dark pantry, and it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months. Using your homemade taco mix is incredibly easy. For 1 pound of ground meat like beef or turkey, brown it in a skillet and drain any excess fat. Then, stir in 2 generous tablespoons of your freshly made taco mix along with 1/2 cup of water. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the liquid has reduced and the meat is well coated. This perfectly seasoned meat is ready for delicious tacos, burritos, or even a flavorful taco salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.